In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do split testing in Google Ads, also known as A/B testing. This is an essential technique for anyone looking to optimize their online advertising campaigns and get the most out of their Google Ads budget. Whether you're trying to determine which ad copy resonates best with your audience or figuring out which landing page design leads to more conversions, split testing is crucial for making data-driven decisions and improving your campaign performance over time. To get started, head over to the Google Ads homepage. Don't worry if you're not familiar with it, I'll guide you through each step. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the account login screen where you should enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll land on the Google Ads home dashboard, where you'll see an overview of all your campaigns, including performance metrics and key insights. From this main dashboard, click on Campaigns in the left-hand menu. This section organizes all your current and past advertising efforts, making it easy to review what you have running and identify areas where testing might be beneficial. To set up a split test or experiment, navigate to the Experiment section, which is located under the same menu where campaigns were found. Once clicked, it will display a list of any experiments you've already started or completed, giving you a clear view of your testing history. Next, look for the small plus icon and click it to start a new experiment. You may encounter a window or prompt guiding you to name your experiment and set its parameters, which will vary depending on whether this is your first experiment or not. Defining your experiment parameters is a critical step. You'll need to decide exactly what you want to test. This could be the wording in your ad copy, the audience segment you're targeting, or even the images and calls to action you include. Carefully set these parameters in the experiment setup screen, as they will determine how your test runs and ensure that the results you gather are valid and actionable. Once your experiment is live, monitor its performance closely. You can do this directly in the experiment section, where you'll see how your different variables perform against each other. The insights gained from these experiments will inform your future decisions and strategies, helping you focus on the approaches that deliver the highest ROI. And there you have it, the basic steps to start split testing in Google Ads. With consistent practice, you'll become more skilled at recognizing which changes have the greatest impact, allowing you to refine your campaigns for the best possible results. Remember, testing is an ongoing process, and even small improvements can add up to significant gains over time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy optimizing.